There are two figures. In a figure, a person is pushing a chair, and in the other one, he is pulling a chair. Here, a man is picking up his bag. In other words, he is pulling his bag up. Similarly, here we see windsurfing and shuttle launch. What is common in these figures? These figures show objects in motion. What causes motion? The answer is force. Our today's topic is gonna be force. In figure, boy exert a pull on the rope. Here the boy exert a push on the boat. Do you think the boat will move in both cases? Well, it depends. If the boy is strong enough, the boat will move. If he is not, the boat will only tend to move. It will still remain at rest. Similarly, if someone were to run head on into you, you can stop him only if you are able to exert a force that is enough to stop his motion. If not, you only tend to stop him. A force can be defined as a force is a push or pull that one object exerts on another, which produces or tends to produce motion, stop or tends to stop motion. Following figures show further examples of forces being exerted. Runner pushing against starting blocks, and youngsters are pulling a rope during tug of war. A figure shows a man pushing a cart. The push may either move the cart or stop the moving cart. A goalkeeper needs a force to stop a ball coming to him. Now we'll study about the types of force and nature of force. Weight, the pull of earth acting on an object. Tension, the pull at both ends of stretched spring, string or rope. Magnetic force, the push or pull exerted between magnets or the pull of magnets on magnetic materials. Electric force, the push or pull between electric charges. Contact force, the push when two objects are pressed together, causing their surface atoms to try to keep them apart. Contact force is a force that is applied by objects in contact with each other. The contact force acts on a point of direct contact between the objects. Friction, this is a contact force that slows down moving things. It exists between the surfaces of two objects in contact. Resistance, also known as viscous force. It is found in fluids such as oil or air. Both resistance and friction are dissipative in nature. That is, the work done by them always leads to the production and scattering of thermal energy. As an example, your skin suffers a floor burn when you accidentally slide across the gym floor. Please bear it in your mind that liquids and gases are called fluids. The SI unit for force is Newton. It is represented by capital N. A force of 1 Newton is roughly the amount of force the earth pulls on an apple, whose mass is 100 grams. A force has magnitude and direction. In order to add more than two forces, the forces which are in the same direction would be added and which are in opposite directions would be subtracted.